OpenSciEd, Orientation to Data Collection on the Tilted Ramp, Student-Facing Video. A yellow cart sits in front of a tilted track. A spring scale is attached to a wooden block on the track.
Let's use this tilted track to measure the force of gravity parallel to the track on this cart, and then see how that force affects the motion of the cart over time. This cart system has a mass of 0.80 kilograms now, and has a hook on the force sensor, which will allow us to measure the strength of the forces on the cart parallel to the track.
The instructor attaches the cart to the spring scale on the track.
Let's collect data on the forces acting on the cart in a direction parallel to the ramp due to gravity.
A line graph of force over time shows a bumpy line that is around 0.725 newtons.
We'll now send the cart traveling up the ramp and record its motion for 2 seconds.
The cart is pushed up an empty track and makes it over halfway before slowing, stopping, and rolling back. 2 graphs are shown.
These 2 graphs capture the position and velocity of the cart right before, during, and after it reaches the peak of its travel up the ramp.
The top graph shows the position peaking at about 0.75 seconds before going back down. The bottom graph shows the velocity decreasing from positive 0.5 meters per second to 0 at around 0.75 seconds, and then continuing to negative 0.5 meters per second at the end.
This was condition 1. In condition 2, we'll increase the mass of the cart to 2.30 kilograms, but keep the angle of the ramp the same. In condition 3, we'll increase the angle of the ramp, but keep the mass of the carts the same as condition 2. And in condition 4, we will keep the angle of the ramp the same, but reduce the mass on the cart so that it is the same as it was in condition 1, which was 1.80 kilograms.
The video ends. OpenSciEd.